Seen these animations in our Cricket World Cup video? Let's break down how to create them in After Effects. First, create a new composition. Next, create the first graph bar. Go to Layer, New, Shape Layer. Using the Rectangle tool, create a vertical bar for your chart. Open the Shape Layer properties, then go to Transform and Scale. Disable Constrain Proportions. Now select the Anchor Point tool and move the anchor point to the bottom centre of the bar. This will allow the graph to grow upward instead of scaling from the middle. Set your first keyframe with the Y scale value at 0. Move forward in the timeline and set another keyframe with the final height of your graph. Then add additional keyframes in between and adjust the Y scale value to create the rises and drops in your chart. Now let's add the value label. Create a new text layer and enter any number. Go to Effects, Expression Controls and select Slider Control. Next, open the text layer properties and expand Source Text. Hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and click the Source Text stopwatch. Paste the following expression. Now open Effects, Slider Control and animate the slider value using keyframes. Place the slider keyframes at the same points where your graph bar changes height. Set the final keyframe to the final value of your chart. To make the number move together with the graph, open Transform and animate Position. Adjust the Y position so the value follows the top of the bar as it grows and shrinks. And that's it. Repeat it as many times as needed to build the rest of your chart. To create this scrapbook style animation, start by positioning your playhead where you want the element to fully appear. Add keyframes for position and rotation. Move one frame back and shift the element slightly downward. Then adjust the rotation value to create a subtle tilt. Copy these keyframes and place them further along the timeline. Move one frame back again, lower the element slightly, and rotate it in the opposite direction. Repeat this process a few times to create a natural layered movement. The more repetitions you add, the smoother and more organic the animation will feel. To create an exit animation, start by adding keyframes for position and rotation at the beginning of the movement. Move forward on the timeline to the point where the object should leave the frame. Adjust the position so the object moves completely off screen. Then increase the rotation value to make it spin as it exits. That's it, a simple animation that combines movement and rotation for a more dynamic transition. To create a bouncing motion, start by placing your object off screen and adding keyframes for position and rotation. Move forward in the timeline and position the object where you want the animation to begin. As new elements appear on screen, continue adjusting the position keyframes so the object travels across the composition and interacts with the scene. Finish by moving the object off screen on the opposite side. Next, shape the motion path using the pen tool. Adjust the path handles at each contact point to create smooth bounce arcs. Finally, animate the rotation value to add spin throughout the movement. To animate a line chart, start by creating a new shape layer. Use the pen tool to draw the graph line. Next, open the shape layer properties, click Add and choose Trim Paths. Open Trim Paths and animate the End property. Move to the point where the graph should be fully drawn and set End to 100%. Then move back to the beginning of the animation and set End to 0%. And that's it. The line will animate smoothly along the path, creating a clean graph reveal effect. Mix and match these techniques to create your own animations in After Effects.